So hello friends, today I'll be playing a 3-minute bullet on liches, not bullet actually, but the blitz. So e4, c5, the Sicilian. I went for knight to f3, main line, and here he plays d5. I think I should capture. After that, queen captures, and then knight to c3, developing my knight with a tempo. Okay, now I can play d4. Then like c captures d4, knight captures on d4. Okay, so I shouldn't be capturing. I shouldn't be giving my central pawn away for a c pawn, which will also activate his bishop. I think that now he will take this pawn. And after knight captures, no, he doesn't go for that. Okay, now I think that I can play d5, the central push, because my king is castled and his isn't. So after d captures, I don't have to recapture it. Let's see what happens, what he plays. Okay, he captures. Now there is no immediate need to capture this pawn back, and I can first play rook to e1 check, and say after bishop captures, now knight captures. So the king can't castle because his bishop would fall then, and if he captures with the knight, then I have bishop captures, and then there is possibly no way to save this rook. So yeah, this is a nice move, I believe. Oh, nice, nice, nice. But what if I just pin it by playing bishop to b5, but then he has knight captures on b5, right? Okay, no, no, sorry. After that, I have then bishop captures on c6. Yeah, so this move looks nice. Yes, but after this and this, I have this, and he will have to lose some heavy material. So this is the importance of castling. The earlier you castle, the better it is. Excuse me. Oh, so he has gone offline because he has realized that he has already blundered and the game is out of control. He has entirely lost the game, so he has left the game. You can see here this. So Pikachu. So yeah, he has left the game. So I will claim a victory. So let's see in the analysis board. Excuse me, just a second. So yes, let's see in the analysis board. It was a pretty short game with just 12 moves. I won in the first 12 moves itself. Let's analyze it, right? Okay. Yes. Okay. So e4, nice move. c5, knight to f3, the main line. Yes, I played that. Okay, so here still the main line is captures. I went for that. Good. Queen captures, and now still again it shows that this is the main line. I did play that. Good. And now I played this d4 move. Yes, it is also recommended. Okay. Okay, so the now this move is, I mean, bishop to e3 is recommended, yet I went for this. Now castling was an option. Yes, I did castle. Okay, so here itself the computer suggests that it was better to push, and that is what I did. Nice. Okay, so here the computer suggests that knight captures is a better move, yet I went for this. And then see, it's already showing plus 9.7. I mean, this is insanely great. That is, this shows that you're almost 10 points up, so it is already great. Oh, okay. Yes, I did the same. I captured with the knight. That was what the computer suggests. So yes, everything's great so far. And at this point itself he resigned, because after this I had this, then after this I had this, and the game is completely in the white side. The game is completely towards white. Yes. So I would be an entire rook up. So that is why he left the game and resigned it. So yeah, it was a nice game. So yeah, that's it for it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe for more. Thank you.